I'm still just wasting away material here and trying to get down to the finish line here. Trying to refine it and finish it up. This is the turn back on his jacket, kind of styled like the earlier colonial jackets. Turn back face, buttons up the side. For me, I have to like work it all down together so that things reveal themselves to me. I go, oh right, yeah, that's supposed to be there. Things start looking better and better. It's like ice melting. I can't just carve the hand down and expect it to fit where the rest of it ends up. It all has to go down kind of together. My little rack I made, that's a new addition for me, and I'm liking it. Getting used to putting the chisels and gouges back where they belong. I'm done with them. I have a few scattered about on the bench here, and they don't have homes up on that rack. They live in a different place, and I keep them handy. If I had all those tools on my bench, it would be a madhouse. But that rack works out good. And it's nice I don't have to put it in a hole or, you know, on a little hooky thing. I just have to lay it in there, grab another one. It's almost as convenient as tossing it on the bench. But the good part is, better part is, that the steel isn't clinking together and it just lost through mishandling. So I like it a lot. Okay, I sold you on it. I don't do a lot of the, you know, filming of this sort of stuff because to me it's what part would I show? Well, I guess any. I did want to prove that I was working on it. That's it. Almost made the mistake of laying it on the table. These are one was using and I'm using now is a number 11, which is great for deep digging. It's got really high sides on it before the corners start to go into the grain. You can really make an impression with these things, move a lot of material. And I've got some pretty big ones, but the small ones are nice. I could do something similar with a V-gouge, a parting tool, but the way the blade on a V-gouge is splayed out, it won't get into as tight a little crevice as this guy does. I got a little number 11 that is quite small, and I use it for a lot of things. For this particular application, this was the choice. This would be, let's see, 4 millimeter. You print the sizes on the handles and they wear off after 20 years or so. But generally the sweep of the blade is printed on the steel. And this is a real favorite tool. It's a number 3 sweep fishtail. The advantage to a fishtail is that you can get into tighter corners and things like that with them. The disadvantage is as you sharpen them, they do get smaller. I mean, width-wise. I use the number 3 for smoothing out the deeper cuts and the steeper gouges. It's like a planishing tool, planing it down. Curl up a bunch of whiskers like that. They're dead ending underneath the arm there, which is good. Okay, then I can get my little 11. I'm going to be cutting out more material to, you know, make that a nice deep cut. And I'm going to do more folds of the fabric and the wrinkles and so forth up the sleeve. That'll give me a better idea of where his arm is and how his hand should finish up. Most of this is kind of bulking off stuff and wasting away the material. The hard part was up in the face. The hands are kind of tricky, but anyway, but I'll let you know how we go. Bye.